After unwelding the spools from the train, the trailer used this fancy hydraulic sliding doohickey to scoop one of them up and began its eye-watering 1 mile-an-hour journey up the mountain, with a little extra help. It turns out that 48 wheels wasn't quite enough to get a spool up these mountain roads because these mountain roads weren't actually roads at all. They were long stretches of mud typically used as ski runs. So what do you do when one truck's not enough? Well, you add more truck. They roped 2 trucks together and had them pull the trailer from the front, put another truck in the back to push, and after 19 hours, they managed to get 1 spool from the train yard to the top of Blackcomb. And then they did it again, and well, you know how numbers work. They did it 5 times. Easy enough, right? No? Well, here's where things get even less easy. All 5 cables needed to be pulled across towers 1 and 2, all the way through the valley, and then back over towers 3 and 4. Since the cables themselves were too heavy to be carried across the valley by helicopter, they first threaded all 4 towers with a smaller cable, which was then attached to the real cable to pull it across. How long does it take to pull the cables across the valley, you ask? Surely it wouldn't take 12 weeks of continuous pulling to get the cables across the valley, you add, smugly, thinking you know how long it takes to pull cables across the valley. Wrong. It took 12 weeks of continuous pulling to get the cables across the valley.